Okay, so let's take a look at how you can remove entry meta in Genesis framework, or you can say even with Genesis framework child themes. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically remove this entry meta that appears below the post title. Okay, so to do that, we're going to go with appearance, theme editor. Now here we will open functions.php. okay, and we will edit that. So basically we will go to the bottom of the file and add our line of code to get rid of Genesis entry meta. So what we're gonna do is we will type in remove underscore action, okay, within single quote we will use Genesis underscore entry, then header, and here we have to specify what we want to remove. So Genesis, then post meta. Okay, so what we added here is instead of post meta we are replacing that with post info and saving the file. Now let's refresh the page, and as you can see that meta under the post title is now removed. Okay, can go to home page as well. Here you won't see that as well. So you get the idea how to remove post info in Genesis framework.